What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out the Anastasia Sunset palette. So I did get the PR package and it came with the palette and the two glosses. So we're going to be testing this out and the glosses as well. So keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to be checking out the new Anastasia Sunset palette. This is the PR kit. I went online and bought it. And in the kit, you get, which, by the way, this is gorgeous. So you get the little sunglasses right here. Sunglasses, and it has, let's see, the little logo right there. So they're purple. They're pretty cute. I still need to take the sticker off. But adorable. And then you also got a little pouch to put them in. But the main thing with the Sunset palette, the palette right here, I'm going to insert some swatches up here so that you guys can see what they look like. And then you also get two lip glosses, one in Pink Daiquiri. And then the other one is Blue Hawaii. So today I'm going to go ahead and get started. I've already got foundation, concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, everything on. And we're going to go ahead and do a look using this. And then I'll try out both of the glosses on for you guys. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I am going to grab, let's see, I'm going to go ahead and grab this Moda Pro crease brush. It's stained from all the times I've used it, but I'm going to take this color right here and put it up in my crease because it is a beautiful tan color, perfect for what I need. So these shades are super soft. They're very creamy, not creamy. They're very velvety. That's a better word. And they're pigmented and super easy, it feels like, to blend out. And as you know, if you've watched my previous videos, the only things I use, I don't use any primer. I just put my foundation and powder over on my eyes. And that is what I did this time. I used no primer. So I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye and build this crease up. Okay. And then I'm going to take... So this right here is actually a lip brush. I don't know where I got it from, but see, I mean, you can take it and like pop it in the little thingy, but I just leave it out, and I actually never use it as a lip brush because it looks super big. I just use it in my outer corner and it works better for me. So you can use brushes for whatever you like. That's just kind of a little side note. Because makeup's fun, so you can do whatever you want. So I'm going to take this darker shade. It's like a deep brown. Looks like a brown gray, I guess, would be the best way to put it. And just kind of put it out on my outer corner because you guys know I like to deepen up the outer corner. And I'm going to throw it a little bit, bring it a little bit into my crease as well. So we're going to deepen up the outer, and I'm going to throw it in my crease a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and do that with my other eye. I'm going to go back into this shade right here and just kind of blend those two together a little bit so it doesn't look so harsh. And then let's go, Let's put this on the lid and this one in the inner corner. Let's kind of play around a little bit. So let me grab some brushes. I'm going to go ahead and use this ColourPop E3 brush to use on the more bronzy shade right here. So let's go ahead and get in here. And I'm using this dry. I'm not putting any setting spray on it because I just kind of want to see how they perform. So we're just going to put this on the center portion of our lid and kind of build it up. And sometimes, y'all have seen me use my hands before. Shadows work a little bit better if you use your fingertips than just a brush. But this one looks pretty good so far. And I'm going to see what it looks like if I stick my finger in it. Oh yeah, that looks 1,000 times better. Doesn't that look great? Oh my gosh. Okay, so let me go ahead and do the other eye. I'm going to do it the same way so they look similar. Okay. So now that we've done that, I'm going to go take this beautiful like blue purple shimmer and put it on my inner corner. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. small precision brush. Can y'all hear my kids? So I'm going to go ahead and dip my brush in here. I'm going to do it the same way where no setting spray, nothing like that. I'm just going to put it dry the inner portion and kind of see what that looks like. Oh yeah. I love this. Oh, this is such a good little quad. I am very happy. What do y'all think? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do this on my other side. Oh yeah, I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do similar to what I did on the top to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and take this dark brown and run it along my lash line right here. While I'm doing that, I'm also going to deepen up that outer corner just a little bit more. Oh yeah. And then I'm going to take this brush again and go back into the little tan shade and kind of just buff it under my underneath. And then I'm just going to blend just a little bit on my crease. Make sure everything looks smooth, and that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and put my liner and mascara on real quick. But I love this look. What do you guys think? I'm pretty happy with that. That's a really good set. So let me go ahead and do this. Okay, let me align my, I'm not just going to do a quick line. And now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and use my ColourPop BFF mascara. If you haven't seen my previous video where I'm testing it out with the It's My Pleasure palette, I'll go ahead and link that so you guys can see it and see my thoughts on it. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. I have my mascara on, and as you can see, I've got a little bit right here. What I did, or what I normally do if I get like mascara or anything like that on and wait for it to dry, and then I just use like a little spoolie or a Q-tip and basically flake it off. And that's it. And then it's gone. And you're like, yay! So that's all that I do. And look, good to see you. So the eyes are done. I am obsessed with that quad. We're going to go ahead and try on the 2 lip glosses that came in the PR kit. Let me see. I'm trying to find something that might be like nude enough so you can actually really see this on. Go with Anastasia. So yay, they go together. Okay, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick and Stripped, because it's pretty nude and it'll be a good canvas to put those glosses on so you guys can really see what they look like. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and use this one because it's a little bit lighter, so I just put it on top. So this one is a pink daiquiri. And I'll go ahead and swatch it a little bit for you on my hand so you can see it. And it's just like a beautiful, like orangey pink shimmer gloss. So let's go ahead. It smells like Sweethearts, maybe? No, I know exactly what it smells like. It smells like vanilla cupcakes. If you don't know me personally, I am a giant sweets fan. I love all sweets. You name it, I love it. So, oh my god, this smells so good. So this is it. And you can kind of see the glitters on here, but it's a nice little gloss. It's not super thick or super sticky or anything like that. It's actually pretty nice. So I'm gonna take my lip off. You can still kind of see, even though I took it off, the glitters in it, but we'll survive. It's not a big deal. So the other one that came in it is Blue Hawaii. And this is it right here. Oh my god, y'all. They smell just like vanilla cupcakes, like a good vanilla cupcake. Okay, enough about that. So, oh wow, this one is you can definitely see the color a lot more when you put it on. Oh, and I forgot to swatch it for you, so let me go ahead and do that. So this is it right here. And let me go ahead and throw it on my lips. You can definitely see the undertone of the blue purple in this a lot more than we did on the pink. Well, and so these are the glosses. I actually like these glosses. I was surprised just because like this is such a crazy color, but I love the way it looks on. So yeah, I was actually very surprised, and they smell absolutely delicious. So I like them. I love the glosses. The quad, the eyeshadow quad, Sunset Quad, It is gorgeous. It is gorgeous on the eyes. I love the look that I did today with it. It is worth it. So if you, I'm not sure if they're still selling the PR kits that come with everything on it, but if you get a chance, definitely pick up this quad. It is totally worth it. The shadows blend perfectly. These are perfect. Just kind of use your fingertips. They worked a little bit better than using the brush on the eyes, but I love them. The colors are gorgeous. So if you like colors like these, you'll love it. Also, glosses, they're worth it. I think so. They're gorgeous. So, and they smell delicious. So if you like that, you'll love it. But that completes this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, y'all.